Hi everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach how to replace the car key battery of the Mahindra XUV 700. So this is the key of the Mahindra XUV 700 and from over here, we need to pop this casing. And over here, you can see the battery. So after removing the case, you need a safety pin to remove the battery. You just need to pop out the battery. So this is the old CR2032H battery and I'm going to replace it with a new battery. The buy link of the new battery is given in the description of the video. So I'm just going to replace the old one with the new. So now we have successfully placed the new battery and we just need to place the cover back. Just need to firmly press this on both sides till you hear a click sound noise. So we have finally placed the battery. I would be uploading more videos about the XUV 700. I already uploaded 2 videos related to XUV, which is the 2 years ownership review and an XUV button control video. So if you have any queries related to XUV 700, then please comment. So thank you for watching and please subscribe if you haven't.